Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials on Mondays and Wednesdays, and on Fridays I do fabulous drag looks because Fridays are a drag. In today's video, I'm reviewing and doing a quick tutorial. It's pretty much wanted to play with it, and it's not a new palette, but I got this in the Boxycharm, and this is one of my favorite indie brands, Ace Beaute. They sent me PR before. I love every single palette. Their formula is great, so we're gonna be doing this purple look, halo, and this is what the palette looks like. So you'll see the swatches and a quick review. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of all new stuff I upload. I upload 3 times a week to 2 times a week, and I also go live on some Mondays. So follow me on social media. All the links are down in the description box. Comment, like, subscribe, and let's get right into this. So this palette was available for $32.99 on Ace Beaute website, and it says that it's not available right now because it's limited edition. $32.99 for 10 shades is not bad because this is an indie brand. They tend to write a little more pricey for a reason, because their formula is amazing. It says to notify me when it's available, so I guess they're planning to restock it. So I see that Boxycharm tend to get kind of a limited edition palettes a lot. So I don't know how they end up with it, but they did. So I'm very happy I got it. This is what it looks like, and this the swatches. I already swatched myself. So these are the 10 shades. Very impressive, the pigmentation. I mean, I don't even know why I should be surprised. I have almost all of them, if not all of them. They sent me in PR ones, like almost all of their palettes, and they're all like that, like pigmented, bright, very, very opaque. Even the light colors are very opaque. Like, look at this, the pastel ones, and the shimmers are real nice. I swatched real nicely too. So there you have it. So I just wanted to play with it very much. It's not new, it's not even available, sorry. But I saw purple and I'm like, I gotta do a purple look. I used a little bit of pinks here, you know, the shimmers. I didn't use the green. Usually I like to do purple and green, but some reason I wasn't feeling it today. I just wanted to do a purple pinkish look, and that's what we got pretty much. So let's get right into this tutorial and the brief review. So I've got ABH base on, and let's do this very simple look. Of course, this is not a new palette, but it looks so pretty. I kind of wanted to film with it. And the color story is beautiful, although I went mostly in monochromatic, but the purple and the green are there. Usually I would go for that, but you know, oh well. So we're gonna go for hydrangea, violet, and a little bit of umber. So this is a simple halo eye. I'm taking a small brush and just plopping hydrangea in the inner corner. I'm using different brushes for different things. I'm gonna start with small, I'm gonna move to the larger here, because this does not need to be too big, but this does. So I'm switching to the larger brush, and I'm gonna use Just Up 231. So to increase the depth, I'm adding a little bit of umber, which is more burgundy, but when you put this together, kind of creates a more moody, muddy, darker purple. A little blendy here. Using another small-ish brush. It's small but good for blending. So this is the Moda BMX 420 detail brush, but it's good for blending because it's very soft and the surface is very dense here, but soft. So I'm gonna go into violet and a little bit of begonia. And the interesting thing about this color, it looks like it's pink, but it's very, very opaque and powdery in a good way. that is kind of like, it creates either cool tone or warm tone, depends what you blend it with. So if I mix these two together, it works. If I mix these two together, it also works. So it's kind of an advantage. Violet is such a pretty purple tone. It's a pure, perfect violet tone. I love purple, you guys, if you know it. I've done a lot of purples look on my channel. I like a combination of looks, I like colorful looks, but this purple is so special. Just on its own, it's just beautiful. I'm starting to blend the halo part into the warmer tone, pinky. And this is Starflower. I showed it to you before, it's in the middle. We're going to apply Wisteria and Animal. Flat brush, pretty much everything in the middle, and Animal all the way in the center. That's the only thing, like I wish this was a more metallic. It's nice, but it's not the most like bam, reflective metallic. And blend this with matte. Animal under the brow bone. Under the brow bone actually looks very reflective. I imagine it would make a great highlight. I might try this as a highlight. So because of the lack of metallic, I'm gonna apply some Heavy Metal by Urban Decay, and this is the color Grind. It's a very pretty pink color. Just blend this with my finger. Nothing that pretty glitter can fix. Glitter always stands, the glitter and gems. They can make everything look special. So the last touch before I do my base makeup, and I'll be back to show you. I'm going to use this palette. Technically I'm not cheating, it's the same brand. So this is Ace Beaute, and this is called Paradise Woven, and there's a black here, so I'm going to use the black from there to deepen my inner corner with the smallest brush. I feel like black always makes the halo eye look special. So this is a close-up, the finished look. I did add up more glitter because the Urban Decay glitter seemed to be not enough, so I added Kimchi Chic Diamond shards, and this is World Dominance. I put a lot of it in the middle, so I wanted this trail of glitter in the middle. And I put some of that glitter in the inner corner. Sometimes I like dark inner corner, but sometimes I want this to be blinding, and this was one of those days. I was just feeling it. And I put some highlighter. I actually used this eyeshadow as a highlighter. And then I topped it with a Focallure Old Highlighter. If you ask me what it is, it's discontinued, sorry. It has a little glitter in it, and it actually gets a lot of reflect, so you can actually see little pieces of glitter. So that's it. The blush, I just used an old blush. It's not important, but the eyeshadows are great. I mean, I always like this brand. Ace Beaute is one of my favorite indie brands. Great quality. Sorry, I didn't look it up before, and I'm reviewing a palette that's not available. But it's part of Boxycharm, so if you got Boxycharm, you probably have it. It's a nice palette though. I like the depths. The only thing I wish the shimmers were more metallic, and I wish that there was instead of this, like this is kind of a meh color. I wish instead of that there was like a chartreuse green or some kind of a light green color that I would love to see. And also I wish there was a black maybe instead of this. I mean, you know me, I always want to have a black. This color almost like a substitute for the white because it's so light, you could actually blend anything with it. But other than that, for normal people that don't wish for black in every palette, that would be just fine. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you got it in your Boxycharm or if you got it on Ace Beaute. A lot of people into this kind of color story. It's really pretty. So leave me a comment below, like this video if you enjoyed it, and just subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 2 to 3 times a week, and I also go live on some Mondays. So follow me on social media. The links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. Huge thank you to all my patrons. Thank you guys so much for your support. I love you all, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!